Today I'm showing you how we prepare our flowers to put into our cakes. We can prepare them a few different ways. A lot of the flowers we're using are not toxic, so we don't have to wrap them, but I'm just wrapping them today because I want to be extra safe and I want to show you guys how to wrap up the stem of your flower. It's really easy. We just want to keep that moisture inside the stems and the flower so it doesn't go seeping into our cake, because even if it's not toxic, we don't want our cake to get moist from the water from our flowers. All right, let's see. We have our roses, which are not toxic, but I'm just showing you guys today. I use the floral tape. It's just a green floral tape, and you just wrap it around the stem of our flower. I'll show you guys a little close-up of it so you guys can see how I wrapped it. It's super easy. It's definitely time consuming to put flowers on your cake and make it safe and, you know, good for people to eat your cake, but it's worth it. So make sure to wrap those flowers. You can also use saran wrap to wrap them up. I know people use that. And also the saran wrap, but it's the one with the sticky side on one side. That is really good. That will help you wrap up those flowers if you don't have floral tape. Some people I know do both. They do the saran wrap and use the floral tape. So it's totally completely up to you guys what you guys want to do, how you want to prepare your flowers to put in your cake. Also, you can look online, it will tell you the flowers that are toxic and the flowers that are not toxic to put in your cake. So go check that out. Today, like I said, we are wrapping them anyways, even though we know that the roses are not. Also, you can either use this and just stick it into our cake like this, or I know you can use my bubble tea straws. This is also a way to add flowers to our cake. We're gonna cut it down just a little bit. And this is an easy way to stick your flower in, and then we can stick it in the cake that way as well to place them. And so sometimes if your stems are too skinny or too small, they like to fall out, the flowers will fall, and that's no fun for anybody. So today I'll show you guys how to wrap one of our flowers. We are going to use, we'll wrap one of our roses. So we just get our super long rose. We're gonna cut it down. You can cut it how short. If you're going to use the bubble tea straw, then I would cut down your flower really far if you're going to use that. If not, you know, you can use it like this. It will go in easy that way. And then this is our sticky. It's not really sticky. It's really weird because you're like, how is this supposed to wrap? It's not really sticky, but it is stretchy. So stretch it, and then we just start wrapping this around the stem of our flower. And it's really simple. As you can see, I'm just wrapping. Keep wrapping. You can do it a few times if you feel like if the flowers you're using are not as safe. Definitely wrapping more is, I would do that. Better to be more prepared. And then you finish it off, you kind of pinch it there at the end, and there we have a wrapped flower, and we're ready to put it into our cake. So make sure that, sometimes the tape likes to come off, just make sure and push it. But you can, like I said, put it in here. This is the easy way too to stick into your cake also. My cake is not huge, so I don't think I'm gonna use the bubble tea straws today, but if you're making a really high, big, thick cake, you can use the bubble tea straws. That will help keep your flowers secure into your cake. Today, I'm just gonna use the normal stem, and we're just gonna stick some in. All right, so I hope that you guys learned a little bit about how we prepare our flowers to put into our cake today. Super easy, but like I said, it's definitely time consuming to wrap all of these little flowers up. Thanks for joining me today.